In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Udemy subscription step by step. Whether you're looking to upskill, dive into a new hobby, or advance your career, a Udemy subscription can open a world of learning at your fingertips. Let's walk through the process together to make it as straightforward and smooth as possible. First, we'll need to head over to udemy.com. If you have an account, simply click the Login button, located in the top right corner of the homepage, and input your credentials to sign in. If you're not already a member, you'll need to sign up for an account, which is a simple process of providing your email and choosing a password. Once you have logged in, you'll find yourself on the Udemy homepage, where your journey to limitless learning begins. Next, direct your attention to the top navigation bar, where you will see an option labeled Plans and Pricing. Click on that link to proceed. This will take you to a page showcasing Udemy's subscription offerings. Here, you'll see a couple of different options typically categorized into monthly or annual plans. Consider your learning goals and preferences while making this decision. Do you want the flexibility of canceling anytime with a monthly plan? Or do you prefer committing to a yearly plan, often at a lower rate per month? After you've determined the best plan for your needs, you'll choose between options like Try it free or Subscribe now. Opting for Try it free might offer you a trial period to explore what Udemy has to offer before fully committing. However, if you are ready to start your full access journey, clicking Subscribe now will get things rolling. Moving forward, you'll be prompted to enter your payment details. Udemy provides options for credit or debit cards, as well as PayPal, ensuring a wide range of payment flexibility. It's essential to ensure all your details are correct to facilitate a smooth transaction and avoid any issues down the road. Once your payment details are successfully entered, take a moment to review your subscription details. Verify that all your information is accurate and that the plan you selected aligns with your initial choice. If everything looks good, proceed by clicking the Start Subscription button. After the payment is processed, and it's usually relatively fast, you'll gain immediate access to all the courses included in your chosen subscription plan. This means you can start browsing and enrolling in courses that catch your interest right away. And there you have it. With your subscription active, a vast array of knowledge awaits you. You can learn at your pace and on your schedule, making it easier than ever to achieve your educational goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you get started with your Udemy subscription. Happy learning!